Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to program a Ram 1500 garage door opener. First, park your truck outside the garage for safety. It is also a good idea to put new batteries in your handheld remote. To begin, clear any existing programming from your home link system. Simply push and hold the two outside home link buttons, usually found in the overhead console, until the indicator light flashes rapidly. This can take up to 20 seconds, erasing all three button programs. Now, let's link your handheld remote. Turn your Ram 1500 ignition to the on/run position, but do not start the engine. Hold your handheld garage door remote 1 to 3 inches or 3 to 8 centimeters away from the home link button you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the chosen home link button and your remote's button. Watch the home link indicator light. It will flash slowly at first, then rapidly. Once it flashes rapidly, release both buttons. For most modern garage door openers, you'll need to complete an additional step. Go to your garage door opener motor, usually found on the ceiling, and locate the Learn or Train button. This button is typically near where the antenna wire connects. Firmly press and release this button. You now have approximately 30 seconds to return to your Ram 1500. Once back in your truck, quickly press the home link button you just programmed twice, holding it for 2 seconds each time. After completing the previous steps, test your programming. If the garage door opens or closes, your home link system is successfully programmed. If it does not activate, press the home link button a third time for 2 seconds to finalize the training. When programming is complete, the home link indicator light will stay on continuously. Remember, the home link system will be disabled anytime your vehicle's onboard security alarm is active, so ensure it is disarmed before use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.